Hey Max, tell me about the weather, your cameras, and all your computers.
Yes, how can I help you today, Roy? Today's weather is cold outside. The temperature is around -5 Celsius. Snow will arrive soon. My inner workings are as follows. I've built in for dimension LiDAR, a multicolor front light, high resolution front camera 1280p by 720p, with field of view of 120 degrees. I am internally powered by a long endurance battery, rated voltage DC 28.8 volts, charge limit voltage DC 33.6 volt, charging current 3.5 amp to 9 amp, rated capacity 15,000 milliwatt hour. On my back is a K9 backpack, also known as a dog saddle. It also contains power. AC power bank 60,000 milliwatt hours. Built-in surge protector with the AC outlet and for USB ports. I have three AI cameras. The front camera is an Intel Real-Sense depth camera D435 with vision processor D4 and stereo 3D vision, great to identify and measure precisely an object's distance. Intel's Real-Sense depth camera is a powerful and versatile depth sensing device, renowned for its high precision and advanced capabilities. Featuring twin RGB sensors and an infrared laser projector, it captures intricate depth details with exceptional accuracy. This makes it an ideal choice for diverse applications, including 3D scanning, robotics, and augmented reality. The camera's ability to deliver crisp depth perception and motion tracking, coupled with its compatibility with popular development frameworks, positions it as a valuable tool for professionals and developers seeking to enhance their projects with immersive and accurate spatial awareness. Its reliability and performance make it a standout choice in the realm of depth sensing technology. The side camera is an OP-like AI camera. This is a state-of-the-art depth sensing device designed for developers and engineers seeking robust spatial awareness in their projects. Its compact form factor houses a powerful combination of stereo cameras and an AI processing unit, enabling real-time depth perception, object tracking, and intricate 3D spatial mapping. With its impressive capabilities, the OptiLight excels in applications like robotics, augmented and virtual reality, and computer vision. The camera facilitates seamless integration with popular machine learning frameworks, making it an invaluable tool for those aiming to create innovative and immersive experiences across various domains. The rear camera is an OP Pro wide. This camera is an advanced depth artificial intelligence camera designed for cutting-edge spatial understanding. The depth field of view is an amazing 150-degree depth field of view. It captures wide-angle scenes with remarkable clarity. Boasting stereo cameras and an integrated AI processor, it enables real-time depth perception, object detection, and 3D mapping. This versatile camera excels in robotics, augmented reality, and virtual reality, and computer vision applications. Its compact form factor and efficient processing make it suitable for various projects, while seamless integration with popular frameworks enhances its adaptability. The OP Pro White empowers developers and researchers with powerful tools for creating innovative and immersive experiences. My K9 backpack contains four artificial intelligence compute power hardware devices, powered by second generation Raspberry Pi 4, with 8 gig for controlling the three cameras. The first controls ODI camera for object detection and segmentation. The second controls Intel RealSense for depth detection, object detection using YOLO version 7, with built-in IR and point cloud modes. The third controls the OPY AI camera for object detection and collision avoidance. The fourth is for audio processing the ChatGPT assistant. This uses a local, large language model and a custom-built voice assistant. That's me, Max. I also have a high-power AI compute device from NVIDIA. The Jetson Orin Nano Developer Kit 8 gig for better and faster AI processing. The Orin Nano boasts a powerful AI computing module featuring the Orin architecture with 12 ARM CPU cores and a GPU. It incorporates 6 MB L2 and 12 MB L3 cache for efficient processing. with support for up to 6 cameras, 4K 60 frames per second video encoding and decoding, and diverse I/O interfaces. It offers versatile connectivity. The Orin Nano is designed for edge AI applications, providing developers with a compact, energy-efficient platform for deploying advanced artificial intelligence models in various embedded systems. Inside my body, I have 3 NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer kits. They all have 4 gig memory, used to control all my 12 joint motors and movement. This is a powerful artificial intelligence computing module designed for edge applications. It features a quad-core ARM Cortex-A57 CPU, 128-core Maxwell GPU, and 4GB LPDDR4 RAM. With a 128-bit memory interface and support for up to 4K 60 fps video encoding and decoding, it provides efficient multimedia processing. The Jetson Nano also includes GPIO, I2C, I2S, SPI, UART interfaces for versatile connectivity, making it a robust and compact solution for developers working on AI-powered devices, just like me.